Hello everyone, I'm Joe Panone, CEO of Forza Technology Solutions, and I'm really excited. I'm super excited to talk to you today about CW Dash, the simple and light dashboard for ConnectWise. I think you'll agree that it's a great application and it really delivers what it says it will. Please go to cw-dash.com and download the evaluation. As soon as you open up the application, it'll come up with this server connection wizard. What you'll do here is you'll enter in your SQL server that has the ConnectWise database on it. I happen to be in a VPN right now, and it'll work right over VPN. So you can type it in or it'll appear in this list. You'll then click Next, and then the second step of the connection wizard will ask you if you wanted Windows Authentication or SQL Server. We're going to use Windows Authentication. We'll click Next. Then it's going to display the databases, and you're going to choose the correct database, not the training, but the actual live database. You're going to click Test Data Source. It's going to say it's connected successfully, and click Finish. And that's it. Within seconds, you are now connected to the ConnectWise server, and CW Dash is configured. That's all the configuration that is needed. When you click on Select Board, you'll notice there's a list of boards. We can start on the first one, open and close ticket by month. You click open, and in less than a second you'll see a board that opens up, shows all the open and closed tickets. The blue, as you can see here, is open. The red is the closed tickets. Obviously, since we're in January right now, it's only showing that information. I have the ability to go back to 2009 and see the trends that way. This first button that's on every board toggles between 3D and 2D. And anytime you can see the board in any of those two dimensions. Then you can click here on I, which is kind of the I blurb, shows you what the actual board is displaying. If we go to the next one, we can check out utilization, which is very important. I'm sure all you're tracking it now, and it must take a long time to derive all this information. So we have the utilization. These are the members here, and it shows their utilization hours. It defaults to the current week, but if we wanted to change the dates, we could simply click on this, click the date range, the current month, click continue, and then in less than a second you'll see it refresh all the data. You can actually click on one of the bars as well and drill down and get more information. You can see this member here is title, the daily capacity, scheduled capacity, actual hours, billable hours, and utilization. And of course you can flip back and forth to 2D, 3D. Some of the configurations that are allowed here, if you click on the config button, you can go to member select. Let's say you didn't want to show certain people in your boards, the service manager, some other people. Simply click on the members that you want or don't want and click remove and move them over, and they won't display on any of the boards. Also, if you click abbreviations, you can have the choice in the boards that show companies. You can show company name or company ID. I'll show the company ID, and I'll also abbreviate it to the first 8 characters. You can obviously choose how many characters you'd like. And as far as the member, I'm just going to display their last name, not their full name. And for the agreement, we have one board that shows agreement by hours. I'm going to abbreviate it to the first 8 characters. I'm going to click OK. Now each board has been set up to do that. This next board is open tickets by member. Again, it shows all the tickets that are not closed by each member. When you click on it, you drill down, you can actually see the quantity of by client for that member of the tickets that are not closed. I won't go through all the boards. I encourage you to do that, but one very good board that a lot of people use, I know I use it a lot, is open tickets by company. You can actually see here displayed each company here and how many tickets that are open, or I should say not closed, per each. Right here we have Forza, our corporation, which is kind of the catch-all, getting all our tickets from Kaseya. When I drill down on it, you can see in progress is 1 and new from the email connector is 148. So I like to keep a close eye on that. The other really popular one is total close percent. When you click on that, it shows all your open tickets in this particular time frame. Then it shows the closed tickets. In this case, it's 43, giving me a percentage of 30%. Now, some of these tickets could have been opened not in this period, before this period. So this second group of information shows your total open tickets to 139, and then it shows the closed tickets that were opened in this period, which is 16, given a percentage of 11.51. And as with most boards, you can click on here and change the date. Let's say I wanted an ad hoc date of January 12th to the 29th. I can click on that. Within a second, it gets all the information. Now, these boards are dynamic. They're connected to the database. It takes a snapshot, a light snapshot. When the data changes, it makes their change. So again, it's very light. You can see within a minute or so, we have these boards up. There's no scripting. There's no configuring. CW Dash just works right out of the box. One of the new boards that was requested by one of the owners, one of the customers who have purchased this, is hours by agreement, where they actually want to see actual and billable hours by each agreement. And of course, it shows actual and billable, the red and the blue here, by each agreement. Obviously, you can have more than one agreement per client, so it shows them all. So there's 11 boards in all, and there's a configuration as I displayed. And I encourage you to go to www.cw-dash.com, download the evaluation, try it for 15 days, and please give us feedback. Let us know what you think about the product. I know you're going to enjoy it. Have a great day.